Edmark Bustos, a native of Baguio City, is a nurse by profession. He took up nursing at the time when it seemed to be a lucrative profession for Pinoys who dreamt of making it big in America, where there was a big demand for nurses. But when he graduated, there was already a glut of nurses abroad, and nursing jobs were scarce, especially in the US, where he stayed for a while searching for a job. This was where he was able to rediscover his real passion.
When I was a kid, I was really exposed in cooking. Home cooking lang naman. Tapos, when I was in high school already, I know what I want already. Kaya lang, nung sabi ng tatay ko, nung sinabi ko, 16, ano gusto mo? Gusto ko mag-culinary. Kaya lang, sabi ng tatay ko, mahal mag-culinary. Kutsilyo pa lang, mahal na. So, that time naman, marami rin akong na-meet ng mga titos, titas, ng mga nurses na very successful sa States. They have their own car, Mercedes, dalawang bahay. So, I found an opportunity through that. Sige, kunin ko na lang. I'll work as a nurse. Bilis lang, malaki kita. So, $25 an hour. So, by that time, 5 years, malaki na ipon ko. Makakabukas ako ng sarili ng restaurant. But by the time na nag-graduate ako, naipasa ko yung USRN ko. Laos na pala, ang dami na. Overproduction of nurses. So, every now and then, pupunta ako kung saan. Nakikitira ako sa bahay. So, maraming mga kamag-anak, marami akong kaibigan. Nakikitira ako yung tutulong magluto. So, actually, it's a journey din kung nasaan ako ngayon. It's a journey na dahil sa marami akong places na napuntahan, marami kaming places na nabisita, marami din akong natikman.
Some of his friends who took him and his young wife into their homes had stacks of cookbooks. He had time in his hands, so Edmark whipped up dishes from whatever could be found in the refrigerator.
Na pagka nakikitira ako sa bahay ng mga kaibigan noon sa States, kung ano yung laman ng ref nila, mag-create ako ng food for them. So doon na nagsimula. Tapos pagbalik ko dito, sobrang hirap. Dumating ako sa point na final option ko is to do fixed marriage. Girlfriend ko na yung asawa ko. Girlfriend ko siya before. Tapos do fixed marriage in order for me to get a job.
But he didn't end up doing that. Instead, he went back home and opened a small dining place with a takeout counter and a very lean staff of 4.
Sobrang low budget, no? Mga kahoy, mahirap maghanap ng kahoy. So, sinet up lang namin na ganon. So, hindi namin ina-expect dahil nga siguro late lang ng Baguio, word of mouth. Dinagsa kami sa DPS.
Unfortunately, he was forced to close his small restaurant because the other residents were complaining about the growing traffic in their residential area. He found another space that measured only 100 square meters. Friends and family donated tables and monoblock chairs to help him get started. And then, he was well on his way.
Bawat kita, invest. Bawat kita, invest. Doon din namin yung mural namin na design. Nakikita dito kung yung mural namin doon. Yung design na yon, it was donated also by our regular customer na artist.
After only 6 months, customers started pouring in and slowly, Edmark started growing his operations with more personnel, none of whom had any culinary background. Word of mouth combined with dedication and passion got the ball rolling for Edmark. Amare la cucina, the name he chose for his restaurant, literally means to love the kitchen in Italian. He specializes in great Italian food with no culinary background at all. His success in the kitchen is nothing short of amazing.
Graduated at YouTube University.
Amare la Cucina did so well in Baguio City, where residents and visitors line up every day just to get a table, that he knew he found his niche. This one in Barangay Capitolio is now his second branch.
We were surprised na ang dami naming customers na taga rito, na umakyat sa Baguio at pumila sila. Most of them are saying na they are very thankful na they don't need to go up to Baguio and fall in line and eat in our branch.
This is probably because he made the Amare la cucina a great dining experience.
For the first time, you can make your own pizza. For the first time, our pizza makers will teach you to toss the dough, put the toppings, cook in the oven, look at it for 2 minutes, tapos okay na. We offer Neapolitan pizzas. We have ribs, wood-fired ribs, which is also cooked in the oven. We have chicken thigh fillets. And then of course, we have wonderful salads na Baguio greens na siniserve din dito, and even for pastas. And we even have our famous dessert pizzas. We have our Nutella pizza and roasted marshmallow speculoos pizza. Sellers, we have for the pizza, we have our foie gras with truffle oil pizza. We have our 3 cheese Trefor Maggi pizza. We have our wood-fired ribs. Our salad, yung Marian Special. Of course, galing sa sister ko. Favorite ko siya. And then for the pastas, we have crispy bacon ala arrabbiata pasta. We have ala sardines pasta.
There are now quite a few Italian restaurants in town, and Edmark knew he had to make a difference. Most of these Italian restaurants have the right ambiance, the right food offerings. But Edmark's Amare la Cucina offers something more than just the food. They are offering a unique dining experience as well. These kids are having the time of their lives doing pizza from scratch. A pizza expert is always on hand to guide them every step of the way.
At least wala silang oras na parang, di ba, mag-iPad sila. So may time sila to... Tapos syempre may sense of ownership na. So dalawa lang ang reaction lagi ng mga bata. Ang reaction nila is, pag nagawa nila, is isi-share nila kasi ginawa nila. Or hindi, sila lang daw uubos kasi ginawa nila.
Here, this pizza maker expertly throws up the dough to show the kids and us how to do it right.
So nagsimula kami yung story din naman ng pizza making na ganyan. Hindi talaga siya kasama. Kasi nagsimula siya parang before kami nagsimula mag-open. Siguro more than 100 pizzas naluto muna namin. Napakain namin sa mga kaibigan. Nagsimula yun doon sa isang friend namin na may na anak niya, na inaanak ko rin. Mahilig mag-bake. So sumama siya, gumawa ng pizza. So, super happy. Tapos every time may mga bata ino-offer namin, gustong-gusto. So, parang doon na siya nag-amoy cheese.
After spreading the sauce on the prepared pizza dough and topping it with the cheese, it's time to bring it into the brick oven.
Yung sa amin is Neapolitan pizza. So, high heat. Nasa 900 degrees yan. Nasa 900, may pagka-smoky siya.
What is great about having such a large oven is one can pop in so many other dishes as well, like these juicy, tender ribs, which Edmark says was his dad's idea. What is also surprising is how fast a pizza can cook.
Mabilis lang. Kasi nga, di ba, parang kanina kunikwento ko sa'yo, naging idol ko si Jamie Oliver. Yung pinaka-first na in-love. So, pati yung noodles, by the time na pumasok ka, doon lang namin lulutuin yung noodles, pati yung sauce. Pati itong mga to. Kasi mabilis lang talaga. Saka fresh. Wala naka-pre-cook.
After 2 to 3 minutes, the pizza can be taken out of the oven, the cheese bubbling and the crust crispy on the edges.
The best part of the pizza is the crust. Kaya yung banat nung kaibigan ko sa napangasawa niya pizza ka ba? Okay. Kasi crust kita.
The sense of humor is just part of the fun that Edmark injects into the Amare la Cucina dining experience. And here, Edmark has prepared a spread of Amare la Cucina's best sellers.
Pizza man nakangiti, pag nakasimangot hindi masarap. She taught me the trial and error. Tignan mo, ito yung kinalabasan.
Good thing naman.
Amare la Cucina can accommodate as many as 160 hungry diners, and the place is open for events as well. With the success of his 2 restaurants, Edmark hopes to open one in Clark and perhaps in San Juan, La Union in the very near future. For residents in the metro, your best bet for now is this one in Barrio Capitolio.
We are located in front of the Church of Mary Immaculate Church of Capitolio. We will let you try for the first time to toss the pizza and make your own pizza and watch it literally to be cooked in our wood parlor. See you!